Oh, I had to stop. Whoa. Ah. Hey guys, Richard here. Got Devin back here in the back. We're out here at Alafia River State Park. We're having a father-son kind of outing today where we're going to be out enjoying the trails. Devin only made it out here once before, and that was when I first got my first e-bike. And he hasn't been able to get out here since then, so we're both excited today. He's going to be riding the Mach Wheel Obsidian back here, and I'm riding the Ingwe Engine Pro 2.0 with a torque sensor. So we're going to go out and just have a good time today. Hope you enjoy the ride with us.
This bike, right? We're not running on half a battery.
We're not running on empty, no. I know, Devin, I know. Let me show you a couple things here. If something happens to me today, no matter where you're at in the park, you can get to this dotted trail right here, which is called Turtle Tracks. And it's more of a maintenance road, so it's a little wider. And if you get to that, you can go in either direction to get back to the trailhead. Oh, no. All right, you ready? Oops, little hanging tree. Oh. Yep. I took the steep part on the left. I've been wanting to do that. Whoa! Whoa! Almost hit the tree again. Yep, good. Just lost my balance. Almost hit the tree, and oh yeah, I'm gonna take it easy this time. Big hill coming up to get out onto the Turtle Tracks road. Pick your line. I usually go over here. Clear in both directions. Sweet, turn it around, here we go. Humps, stay to the left. Woo! Slowing down a little bit because I don't want to. Oh, gonna need some speed to get up that last one there. All right, come on through, man. Woo! Got some air there. Okay, big drop. I'm gonna slow down for these drops. I just don't like taking these drops too hard. No, just not designed for it. So we got a few trenches like this to go through. We got another one I remember that was There's a pretty high trench to cut through. I don't know what that was, but it was big. Get some speed up. Not too much though. Another drop, slowing down. A little bit of speed to get back up. Is that a snake? I think that was a snake, I'm not sure. Okay, slowing down for this one here. Oh yeah, hold on, that's a drop. Either take it fast or take it really slow. Here's a trench. Don't wipe out in the trench. I'm gonna stop right here for a minute. All right, I don't know what's on the other side of this one, so I'm just gonna slow down a little bit. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, don't do that, man. You can ride that curve kind of high. All right, here's a trench. No, not much of a trench. We're going on the high side. Spider web. Whoa, almost went over. Yeah, this trail is by far my favorite. Well, it is now. I mean, I just found it the last time I was out here, but so this is only my second time on it. But yeah, it was crazy fun. Oh, speed! Let's get back there. I thought I heard a thump a moment ago. I got it too, man. You alright? I'll come rescue you if I need to. He's tangled up in the bike and you can't stand it up. Hey man, did you scratch that bike?
Nope.
Huh. Mud washes off. And blood washes off too. In case you're wondering. You don't want to go over the edge right here. Be careful on this curve right here. Let's slow down just a little bit right there. And get a little speed going here. Getting up all this nonsense. There we go. Tree roots. Oh, here's a shelf root, so be careful right here. Yeah, it's a pretty big one. Okay. Hey man, that's cheating. What are you doing? He's like, nope, not interested. What? Oops. Hi, man. I'm doing so. I don't need 25. Woo! There we go, man. That's it for that one. Man, that's a lot of fun. One way to not enter. We want to go to the right.
Probably we should give each other some space on this one.
Yep, go ahead. Holy smokes. Oh, yeah. Not bad at all. This is great. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this is, holy smokes, Devin. Whoa. Loving it. Okay, okay. When's your next day off? Woo. Oh, I slowed down too much. Yeah, we fouled that one up. That's all right. Back it down. Wednesday, huh? Can you make it up it though? You're not going to be able to walk up it. Yeah, you did. Yeah. Here I come. Nice. Is this part of it, or is this something else? Oh, I had to stop. Whoa. Just lost a mirror.
You know what you're gonna lose?
What's that?
Anything important?
Nothing important. Let me pick up my trash. So, yep. Oh man, they're cheap. This is my cool down right here.